So one thing I want to add before you actually do save your file is about managing the size of it. So the thing that's unique about vector files is, as opposed to Photoshop files, which are pixels, is that when you size something, you are increasing the resolution. You're making it better quality. So if I take this image and I am going to hold down the shift key to constrain it, make sure it holds the proportions. If I make this bigger, it is actually increasing the quality of this image, which in Photoshop, if you did that, you wouldn't be adding anything to it. You'd just be making each one of those pixels look bigger. So I have this file set as 8.5 by 11, so this is a perfect size. But if I wanted to make it a lot bigger, I could make the file size actually bigger. And then the other thing is file size, meaning the document size. But then when you go to export it as a JPEG, so I'm going to go to Export, Save As. I am going to make it a JPEG. And when I say export, it's going to, in a moment, give me the option, a couple options. And so one of them is I want to make sure that my resolution is 300 dpi. So if yours isn't, typically it might say 72. So you want to change that to 300. And then every time you open this file, it will come back with whatever the last thing you saved it as. And I have my color mode CMYK right now, which is fine. And when I bring you open in Photoshop, you'll see some things about how to manage that in Photoshop. So I'm going to say OK, and then I'm going to put this on pause.